you, everyone. Chur, how are we? Sorry about that. You had to charge up our bloody camera. How's everyone doing? Chur Whanau. Our Lord is here. Chur Whanau. Oh, jeez, come on. Come on, bro, we just started. Bloody hell, already. Yo, Shinigami. Brother, I'm pretty sure you've seen you in here before. You didn't have to, my bro. Like, nothing's changed. But thank you for the gifted subs, brother. You did not have to, my bro. Like, straight up. And your mum's your dad. That sounds a bit different, but thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. So I believe our 3 new emotes are live too, so we're going to catch up first, obviously. Cheer, brother, no man. Oh, come on, man. Yo, Silver. Fucking hell, everyone's going crazy, bro. We just started. Oh, come on, guys. I mean, it's Sunday. Shouldn't some of you be at church? Thank you. Your mum's your dad. Fucking hell. And King Clarky. Oh, in silver. Holy shit. Okay, better start working soon. So we usually have our 5-minute catch up first. Cheers, Dicker. Cheers for that message too, brother. Really appreciate it, my bro. Aiden, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. So it's Broxh T, Broxh Fire, and Broxh Love are the new ones. Yeehaw! Thanks for the sub, brother. So now we can play. We got confirmation from a New Zealand band to play their music on stream. R6 Senpai, thank you very much, brother. If you're new here, my bro, you can just watch for free. It's all good. Oh, Charlie. Okay, yeah, so we just have a catch up for like 5 minutes and then we start working. Oh, Joshua Lemon. Thanks for the sub, brother. Nice boots. Gum boots, brother. Good. Oh my god. Dr. Surprise, brother. Bro, I'm not even doing anything yet. Thank you for the gifters, brother. You just don't have to, eh? Even Josh Big as well. Holy crap, I don't. Hey, cheer, brother. Crazy. Holy shit, brother. Kaya Ngatoi. Kia ora, Kaya, for the 3 months in a row. Shit, you didn't have to do that. Kaya Ngatoi. Where have I heard that name before? Oh, come on, guys. That's enough, that's enough. Let's do some work now. Bloody hell. You guys are too nice. Too nice. So I bought 2 prizes so far for our Broxh giveaway. So I was in Tauranga yesterday. And yeah, I purchased maybe what could be the first prize. Silver. That's enough, guys. There's no need for sub-balls. You only do that in Fortnite. Look after your fellow selves first. It's all good. You can just watch for free. please listen. Okay, I'm gonna just set the camera down now. These are too nice. Hey, Gearaholic. Do you have a YouTube channel as well? Yes, I do. Everyone seems to think it's fake. Oh, Silox, thanks man. I didn't have to sub, man. It's totally fine to watch for free. Twitch needs more guys like him. Oh, I believe there are guys, other people, nice people out there, brother. Just gotta find them. Hey, true King Clucky. You watch for free, but you deserve more than that. Oh, jeez. Oh, come on, Dicker. That's enough, Dicker. No, no, no. I've seen you giving bits as well. Bloody hell. I feel like I know what you guys are doing. Stop that train, eh? That's enough. Shoot that train off the tracks. So we're just doing our taiaha. Aeon, Zian, Aeon, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to, brother. Oh, fuck. Thank you, so thank you guys. That's enough. Please. Just come and watch me carve. It's Lazy Sunday. We're meant to be slothing and just kicking back. Oh god. Do you make music? Hell no. Hey Quinto. Hey Broxh love. These are crazy, man. Just come and watch. That's all. It's Lazy Sunday. Sad day for some. So I gotta go to town again today and look for a few more prizes and a brown afro. Nut Taco. Interesting name, brother. Thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you did not have to. You can't just watch, my bro. Hey, Chur Thunder. And if anyone's in the chat that I seen in Tauranga yesterday, hello. Dark Fox, thanks for the sub as well. Didn't have to, brother. I believe our man Just for Kicks is on today as well. So if you guys can, go through and follow the brother as well. Cheers, Dicker. That's enough, Dicker. You've done enough. Shawnee Quest, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Hey, Chur Cuzzy Squid. Can we get a shout out for the Cuzzy Squid? And just please go through and give them a follow as well. Fucking hell, you guys are crazy. So penetrator. You're penetrating a bit too hard, mate. Oh, the Vandal. Much love, dude. Hey, Chur, the Vandal. Chur, brother, you didn't have to resub, my bro. And Erkazi as well. Oh, and QC Ranty. Glad to have discovered what you're doing here. Hey, thanks, brother. You can just watch out. Can I get a shout out? Ah! Here you go. There's your shout out, my friend. Sorry if I destroyed some ears. Connor and Sender, thank you very much, guys. Just come and watch. Come and watch.
Get ready for new playlists personalized for you with new release mix, your mix, and discover mix.
Someone can't do a Ariana Grande
Play them
face.
now in the YouTube Music app.
Go to Broxh. Chur, brother. Didn't have to sub my bro. Okay, we need to do this head now. Get everything the same. How's your guys' day, Fanta?
So you're gonna be taken, babe.
And Thunder.
Walking the street like a superstar. Crazy things you'll see.
Hold on, guys, just changing our album up.
What's your feet?
Why is it not moving? Want your sweet water, your energy, money for the company. Sweet water, energy, because of the. There we go. Oh, it feels so good to be playing L.A.B again. Going back, just making sure I didn't miss anything. How are you, Cuzzy Squid? Sorry I had to go to bed early, man. Was quite the tired. Smells, thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to. You can just watch. It was totally fine. Yeah, I just got an email from L.A.B, so a few of the performers are close with my partner. So it was all Mrs. Broxh, really. So this is due at the end of the month, this commission here. So I better hurry up. L.A.B listening all day. You know it, brother. Black Fox and White Sausage and Suave Brady. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to. Okay, that's one dub again against DMCA, guys. Was so you get to play L.A.B again. We got a dog in the chat. The dog got deleted. Ha! Hello, Hop River. Chew, brother. So this tyre hull, so this is similar to English 3/4 staff. One of our most renowned weapons, and it's for someone's 21st. So I gotta do that eye now. Yep. Metal Ranger, cheers, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. You can just watch. It is all good. Get this eye done. Yeah, so I'll try and be on for as long as I can today, but I got a few things to do today. It's my baby's birthday next week. She is turning 2. That's enough, Dicker. Thank you very much, though, bro. It's just come and watch, brother. You know. Baby, can you C Toss, thanks very much for the sub, brother. If you are new here, you can just watch for free. It is all goodly. Yeah, family does take priority for me. But yeah, Mrs. Broxh here, get a stream in today. So we out, sure. Won't say no. So in terms of the items that I got for the giveaway so far, so I got like this Luffy PVC figure, if that's what they're bloody called, and Super Saiyan God Goku Pops. It's one of the newer ones. Just thought I'd cop it just because it looks cool, and it's a newer one. Looks pretty good. So once I have everything, then I'll show everyone. J Kane, thank you very much for the tier 1. You didn't have to though. Why didn't you stream yesterday? Because I had stuff to do with my family. It's pretty much the only reason if I don't stream. Or if I get sick or tired. If I'm not any of those, I'm streaming. Pretty much. Lenzer. Oh man. Lenzer, thank you very much, brother. If you're new here, my bro, you don't have to give those. You can just watch. Horde or Alliance? Horde, brother. Easy. But I have to play Alliance because the brother Panda's on that side. Feels bad, mate. What's going on with our music? Okay, I don't know what's going on with it. Maybe it'll play soon. Let's just do this, eh? Should put my arms in this machine or something. Could I put my arm in this machine or something else? What's that for? What does silver hand mean? I've been getting called that quite a lot too. Can you tell us about what you're carving? So I'm doing a taiaha, brother. So this is a similar to the English 3/4 staff. The difference with ours, it's not made to be thrown. So my ancestors didn't believe in killing from afar. There's no honour in it. And so the taiaha itself is likened to the human anatomy, brother. So you got your tongue here, and obviously the face. And the handle where the warrior usually holds it is called the tinana, which is the body. So the tongue was used to... hold on, bro. I'll just acknowledge these people. Robert Rotten and Mystic AF. Thank you guys for the subs. If you're new here, you can just watch. It is all good. From Canada. Hey, cheers, brother. Yeah, so as I was saying before... the taiaha is, like into the human body. And another reason why we don't throw them, brother, is because they're named after our ancestors. We named them after a really pivotal ancestor, no matter who it may be. And obviously if you throw it away, you're going to be defenseless and you're going to die. So the arero, which is the tongue, bro, was used to stab and to disembowel the enemy. No wanking in stream. Righto. What a clown. Yeah, so obviously if you threw your weapon away on the battlefield, you ain't gonna live long. Unless you're really fast and good at running away. But our ancestors weren't really about retreating, it was to the death really. Have you celebrated 1 million followers? Oh, I had a coffee, but I want to get this Bob Ross stream done for everyone. That's about it. I had a coffee and a biscuit. Mind if I touch your peep from lanyard guy? Mind if I just time you up? Yeah. That's some 12y stuff right there. I mean, come on, man. Stop being stupid. Yeah, man. Yeah, I want to do this Bob Ross stream. I mean, I do not know how to paint too. Like, this is going to be a good laugh. It'll be entertaining for everyone. That's the main thing. I mean, I probably can paint a damn good Voltor, but I do say so myself. I walk in your face. Now so born again. Cheer, bro, how are you? Cheer, Noodles. Oh, I'm good, man. Yeah, don't beg for subs in the chat, otherwise you'll probably get banned or timed out. You didn't read the rules, did you? And I only just found out what dodge means last week. Cheer, illegal mini monk. Cheer, Otter. Cheer, my bro. Oh, here goes Silver again. Bloody hell, Silver. Didn't have to, brother. You should carve a diamond plate, but oh yeah, I was gonna carve the Twitch logo, eh? It'll be good fun. Fucking YouTube, eh?
Sorry, can you maybe jump to the part where any of this has anything to do with me?
Ain't no YouTube premium here, Whanau. Does it cost a lot to get into wood carving? I mean, the tools itself are over like for one chisel would cost you around $75. But yeah, for me this is pretty much the path for me in terms of what I want to do. Begging for subs is a bit wrong. Yeah, especially when I don't want people to sub. Broccoli Rob. Chew, brother. That's all from Canada. Chew, crazy. How do I donate? By watching. He's the uncle we wish we all had. Nah, where's this all Whanau? Do you paint the tyre? Nah, not at all, bro. No need to. You can stain them. That's about as much as you can do. Traditional stain for our tyre halves in days of old was either sweat or blood. That was about it. Hope that answered your questions, brother. Stain with the blood of your enemies, if that makes sense. Nice emotes. Nicely done, yes. Oh, cheers, brother. Yeah, so those were done by the brother Thunder Punch. I just put them up this morning. Can we get a shout out for Thunder too? Okay, should be deep enough. Hey bro, didn't know you were going live. Oh, my bad, brother. At least you're here now. I don't usually do weekends, brother, but just gonna get a little stream in. Young Thug's my dad. Yeah, my dad, yeah, mommy. Beginning. That's a me. Morning Gross Rising. I mean, there was no need to stain the weapons, eh? Sweat itself was like a naturally oil-based liquid. It wasn't water. Yeah. And blood, obviously, when you use it against people or opponents back in the day. We don't use the tyre half for its original purpose anymore. Because obviously that's not how we sort out our problems. What are you carving? This is rata, brother. It's a native hardwood. Yeah. 4 months, Chur. Yeah, Chur enjoys stuff. Chur, brother. Didn't have to. And gold mackerel. Chur, brother. You don't have to resub. Just come and watch. So I asked L.A.B as well if I could, because they know my partner, if I could chuck their links to their socials and my Instagram, and my Twitch channel too. They haven't said anything yet. Wajik Bam? Chur, brother. I don't know how to get a tier 3 sub. Kaya, don't worry about it. It's alright. Just come and watch. I too would like to know if you have a Spotify account. Yeah, it's under socials, brother. Exclamation mark socials. Jacob, thank you for the tier 2. This guy didn't have to, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Hey, cheers, Zuda. So let's round this ear. Have you seen Norwegian dragon style carving? Yeah, bro, hard. I've seen a lot of the native races of the world's carving styles. Are you going to Sunsplash? No, I don't really travel much, bro. First time I've been out of town in months was yesterday. And that was just over the hill to Tauranga. What other language do you speak? My own, Māori.
There's hundreds of thousands of fans.
I love those YouTube beats. Okay, let me just wrap this up. Makes a big heat dessert. Half baked potato. So look at it. I'll look at it this way. If I make it big, since you say, it's because of you guys, not because of me. I'm gonna have to head to sleep now. Catch the stream. See you soon, man. All good, Dicker. You have a good sleep, brother. Didn't have to drop those, brother. It's all good just to watch. I get Hulu ads this point. Having it already. Oh, true, brother. Kiwi, yeah, I am trying to find a Bob Ross stream. Bob Ross wig, bro. Just trying to find the wig. Brown ones are hard to come by the looks of it. Got another place that I want to check. Get off. I saw you on 9 Gauge. Oh, true. I never really go onto sites, so I don't really know these things. Alright, let me just have a drink.
I see the changes of a world that's broken. It's not hard to see what we've done. If it's easy enough, but the words have no meaning. You can fall in the
There 1 point. Yeah. Oh well. If someone cracks it, damn. I mean, Young Khan's got something similar as well. That's who I went off, because he's another artist that I look up to. I mean, I can't do digital art, but yeah. We'll be streaming games as well. I'm working on it, brother. It's a bit hard for me because so I did a test stream a while back, and I'm trying to use the stream pack to stream games. It's a bit harder than I thought. Would the Broxh stream be uploaded to YouTube? Definitely, man. Yeah, hard. Gotta get everyone, want everyone to enjoy it. And calm my anxiety and check 2, Jack. Are you alright though? You all good? Oh, yeah, it's like crazy. Yeah, I would say there's like different levels, like master carving. Oh, I mean, it's just like high school student. Then you become like a resident carver or something. You carve for everyone. I don't really go by any of those. I'm just a carver. Oh, Kaya gifting us some. Hey, cheer, brother Connor. How are you, brother? I'm watching you too, bro. No monkey business. Oh, fucking hell. Silver. That's enough, bro. Thank you, though. Just come and watch, man. That's more than enough. No problem, cuz. Oh, no, me, guy. You don't have to do that, though. How old am I? 28, 29 next month. Shirt. But yeah. Reminds me of Gibraltar. Hey, brother. YouTube ad. Netflix YouTube ad. God damn it. Messing around with my druid right now. Oh, true, bro. What level are you, brother? Bro, I need to level my druid before that EXP boost is gone, eh? I'm about to cause a ruckus. Don't. He has big ass fingers. Oh. Sad guy. Sausage fingers. Just start carving like this. I don't mind, brother. Yeah, very good, man. They never change. Ah, choose silver. No, I don't plan on changing, bro. Only thing I'll change is my clothes, because obviously they don't stay clean forever. Looks like something on a stick. Ah, it's a weapon, brother. One of our traditional weapons. Oh, Charm. Cheers, Charm. How are you? And Peter. Oh, fuck. Here we go. Oh, please don't, bro. They're working man hands. Are you Hawaiian? No. Come on, brother. That's enough, please, bro. Fuck, you've done. You got the first, man. Just calm down. That looks sick. Oh, thanks, bro. Yeah, Connor. Damn, someone one up me. Yeah, that's Connor. Damn it, I feel like he's Conor McGregor. Okay, Connor, can I get a normal comment from you? Do you have the Grizzlemore form for Druid? Stopping by to say here and hope you're having a great day. Cheers, Charms, I am, brother. Hope you are too. Looking forward to Shadowlands. Yeah, man, it's looking good, eh? See, I'm learning Guardian Druid at the moment. It's bloody hard, eh? Just trying to level them up before their EXP boosters go. Drop your pencil. Yeah, brother. Ryu the legend. Hadouken! Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. If you're new here, just come and watch. Did I hear you talking about COD earlier? Nope. I've been playing Halo. Halo Reach. It's about as close to a gun as I... Yeah, I got that form. Damn, this guy. Bro, I admire that druid form so much, eh? I wish I went for it, bro, when I was playing Legion at the time. I was one of those guys, I was like, oh, yeah, it'll be around for a bit. And then my cousin took her laptop back to Australia. I was like, fuck! Halo Reach is a great story. Yeah, I enjoy Halo Reach. That's one of my favourites. Lasts until Shadowlands release. Oh, okay. Damn, you got the Grizzle boy. Windwalkers for the win. Yeah, I played Windwalker since Mop. I'm kind of bored of it now. First monk spec I played was Brewmaster. And just recently gone back to it. Streaming any game soon? We're still working on it, brother. Sorry.
Noah and I spent the whole summer together. And then my heart flew off to Harvard. We miss you. Wish you more.
I'm playing Halo 3 actually. Oh, nice!
Do you think you and Noah were meant to be together?
Wiggle Puppy, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. What are you making? So this is a Toyaha, brother. So it's similar to an English 3/4 staff. The difference with ours, it was never made to be thrown. So it was only ever used for close quarter combat. And the reason why we don't throw them as well, you'll be left defenseless, you'll probably die, and they're named after our ancestors too. I only play Feral now in BFA. True, brother.
Post on Facebook that all your friends will see. Or paper for your English class.
Yeah, I'm just trying to learn how to play Guardian. Because I want to try and learn how to tank properly now.
Or a resume for your dream
Damn,
job.
man.
Or a message to your crush on a dating site.
Message to your crush on a dating site. Hostage Killer, thank you very much as well. You didn't have to, brother. Yeah, so Guardian Druid. Yeah, I just want to learn how to tank. But I'm terrible at it. Yeah, me too, JK. I'm terrible at it too. But it's a spec I've hardly touched. So I want to learn how to tank properly. Trey Kane, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to. This song is a banger. Yeah, I love this band, man. Kia ora from Christchurch. Cheers, stuck in a trip. Cheers, brother. See, there were good vibes yesterday. What do you play well? Yeah, brother. Since BC, or end of BC, really. Just trying to figure out how to stream it with the stream pack. Ain't nobody gotta know no more. Tari JK? Thanks, brother. Didn't have to. What is the name of the song a DJ did a cover of? Oh, true. Oh, it's just L.A.B, bro. New Zealand band. It's my favourite band, actually. Yeah, so we got confirmation from them to play their music. Ain't nobody gotta know no more. What class do you playing well? What I've been playing lately is just Enhanced Shaman, Guardian Druid. But I mained a warrior through Legion. Oh, I haven't even touched it, their warrior. He's like so under-geared now. And Monk. Monk's one of my favourite classes. Do you listen to Catch Fire? Yeah, bro, I'm just not allowed to play them. You follow the Chiefs, bro? Yeah, fuck. We're on a bit of a mighty losing streak, eh? But I mean, it is the Crusaders, they're pretty mean. But yeah, feels bad, man, for the Chiefs right now. What do you sharpen your chisels? What do you use? Sharpening stone or a sharpening wheel? What's the time for you? Like 1 o'clock? Yeah, I'm not sure when I'm going into town to sort these things out. Maybe a little after 2, but until then, we'll just carve, eh? You would be nothing without TikTok. Okay, I hardly use TikTok, but okay. I'm gonna screenshot your comment, bro, and yeah, save it for later. What a dick. You would be nothing without TikTok. Bruh, I don't even use TikTok that much. When I'm using it, it's just to watch Pokemon booster cards, booster packs being opened. You obviously don't know me. It's alright, guys, leave him alone. He probably woke up this morning, forgot to put his hemorrhoid cream on, or forgot to probably drop too much pepper on his eggs, and was still hungry for some more eggs, so he decided to buy it himself. TikTok is now banned in the US. Oh, I don't even like TikTok, eh? I'm too old for that. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm not doing any of those half-assed dances, bro. Come on, man.
You've got the talent, sweetie.
If I'm gonna do a dance, I'm gonna do it properly, not half-assed TikTok quality.
Finals are in Atlantic City with big Broadway judges.
I'll do it on one condition. We win.
I know you can't hear me, but I will.
Help them.
Take the L, brother. Take the L. Don't cry on TikTok.
No. We can do this.
Bro, these YouTube ads are pretty chronic today. Let's move this guy out of the way. Does that mean we're gonna see? Hell no! I'll never do TikTok dances. Get a high quality Twitch crump. Man, that guy was tox. You'd be nothing without TikTok, snurf snurf. Okay, kid. Get some positive vibrations up in you, man. I bet you that guy that said it plays a gnome warrior in WoW. I'm calling it now. He plays gnome warrior. Gnome warrior. Great work. What part of England are you from? Rotorua, brother. But I'm from a small town called Ruatahuna as well. Yeah, he plays gnome warrior. Sorry to all the no warrior mains if you're in the chat, my bad, but yeah, that's some no warrior behaviour. The rage can't be contained in the small body of his. A lot of X today, yeah. Kia ora almost a midget. Tēnā koe. Aroha mai bro, I'm not really into gangs. I don't need some, but I will continue to love the stream and chat. Chill brother JT. Didn't have to though. You watch anime? Yeah bro, hard. How many tools do you have? I have around 32. I'm looking into investing in a few more. Bad Bunny is way more wholesome. Oh, is that the name of the girl? I actually didn't know who it was. That's the girl on the clip, eh? I just knew her as $5 girl. What's your favourite anime? My Hero, brother. GN Grin, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. And Silver again. Bloody hell. Didn't have to, brother. And Robbo from Home and Away. There's no more. Nah, just I don't play Gnome. Small man, small character, big rage. I don't know. I just chose the most underplayed thing ever. Oh, who's this anonymous person? Can you, anonymous, whoever you are, thank you, but you need to tell me your real name so I can acknowledge you. I know you're not new here. I don't know if anonymous people can be different people gifting. I'm not really that Twitch savvy, but you don't have to, you can just watch. But thank you. And non-situation as well, I bet it's Connor. Nah, Connor won't hide, he's not like that. How long does a piece take? It all depends on how much you put into it. If it was Connor, you'd go, here, you get a fucking sub. You get a fucking sub too. Who's your favourite character in My Hero? All Might, brother. Anonymous gifters can be anyone. Okay. Might have been that guy that said I wouldn't be famous without TikTok. Never know. Fuitaiaha. Yeah, bro. I'm still trying to figure out who Bad Bunny is. Hey, Hawk 3. Sure, brother. Connor's Oprah. Redemption arc. What do you think of 100 gigs? First initial thought, what is that? I don't even know what that is, brother, sorry. Sea Domes, thanks for the sub, brother, didn't have to. Allowing you to live. So I'm just trying to round this lip to look the same as that one. Favorite music genre? Reggae, brother. I like All Might too. Cheer, Oliver King. I like the fact that you like All Might too, my brother. He's just so goody. Mr. Valdia and Sinister, thank you guys. You didn't have to though. If he's a new here, just come and watch next time. Eh? Hold off the sub. Do you like metal bands? Not really, brother. Chur Thriller Gorilla. So I'm doing a taiaha, brother. It's one of our traditional weapons that our ancestors used. We still use them today, not for the original purpose though. Do you like metal bands? Nah, bro. You a fan of Naruto? Yeah, Silver. Hard. I probably will never watch it the entire series again though. Just yeah, too long. Yo, Terry Barrett said. Jeez, I hope I said your name right, brother. Thank you for the raid, my bro. You didn't have to, but thank you, brother. Appreciate the raid and the love, brother. Can we get a shout out for the brother, please? Welcome everyone from the bros community or chat. My name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver located here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. We're the native people to New Zealand as well. But thank you, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. You seem like a Jiraiya type of guy. Yeah, he's alright. I mean, the way he is. Hashirama was one of my favourites, mainly for the wood style. Who else? Tobirama. Sasuke Sarutobi. Sasuke's namesake. Yeah. And yeah, Jiraiya's cool. And Kurama. Too many fillers. Yeah, there's quite a lot, eh? It's like One Piece. I'm only watching One Piece again because Kaido's up. One of my favourites. Do you know Jimmy Jackson? Yep. I don't know him personally. Haven't spoke for a while, but alright. You alright, brother? Little peep? Oh, what's going on? There's some drama in the chat, dude. No need for drama, guys. Have a pie. Calm down. I might try One Piece. Oh, bro. Good luck. That's all I'll say. Have you considered creating any instruments? No, bro. It's not part of my traditional art form. So my ancestors never carved instruments, brother. So there's no reason for me to. I mean, I could try and carve a guitar. Not beefy. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to. Yeah, no need for drama, guys. Just have a pie. Calm down. He's alright. Watch me try and round the slip over and have a pie. Cody guitar would be mint. Yeah, bro. How many episodes is One Piece set? Oh, isn't it like in the 900s now? But there's quite a lot of fillers too. Do you think Minato is overrated or underrated? I think he's underrated. What about Koiwa? Yeah, I've done one. I mean, he's a cool character as well. Going back to school on a lonely day. Have you had a go at Valorant yet? Would be enough. I tried it, brother. It's not for me, man. I didn't really have fun with it, eh? Yeah. You go crazy. After lockdown, will there be a donation? We're pretty much out of lockdown anyway. So, yeah. Naruto is the king of fillers, yeah. Isn't Bleach like the king of fillers too? They had like a filler in a filler or something? That's pretty, Ratchet. Thanks, big blue boy, too, brother. Why do you not want to put a donation link in your bio? It would stop Twitch from taking half. Yeah, I know, but I'm trying to tell people not to sub either. I know a lot of people have been saying that, but yeah, I'll put it up soon. Just when I can be bothered. I mean, I probably plan on putting it on for my birthday. Then take it off. Are you able to make a wooden sword? My ancestors don't use wooden swords, brother. Sorry. On a lonely day, boy, I'll play that fool. I don't want you playing that way. I'll do as I please. Bloody hell. So this needs to be dropped down. Boy, I'll play that fool. I don't want you playing that way. Young Khan is on too. Yeah, I know. And I'll go just have a drink. Probably be heading just up today after the stream. Good things, big mother. 2, Robbo. What am I using? Like 2. Tsukuyomi had the craziest fellas. Ah, yes, that's right. Yeah. Yeah. They actually took Tsukuyomi to its fullest there in terms of jutsu fella. Is that a sword? Nah, bro, it's similar to a 3/4 staff. So I'm just carving the head of the ancestor. Have you started to get recognised in town yet? Yeah, bro, it was yesterday. It was a bit overwhelming. I'm still not used to it, bro. Quite a lot of people came up to me. Watchtower of God. Yeah, I heard that's a good one. High School of Gods as well, or something. For the #1 craftsman in the world. Oh, thanks, brother. I don't know if I'm the #1, man. Oh, jeez. Agimizer? Agimizer? Bro, that is too much, bro. Look after yourself, too. You didn't have to do that. Oh, my jeez. Oh.
Cheers everyone for tuning in. We are
Oh,
660
what's that,
live
Lab?
at the Red Studios. Cheers. The song's called Someone to Be Around.
Enemy #1, walking through the streets alone. FML, it's ZP12. Oh, come on, brother. Thank you, my bro. You didn't have to do that. Pro. Did I miss another host? Oh, and Wizzy Khalifa. Thank you for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to. And have a great day, Broxh. Use this to get your mother something nice, a bunch of flowers. Ah, Zero Runner. Thank you, man. Yeah, that is sweet of you. Just, bag of flour to make some bread. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I definitely will then. Does Broxh know alien weaponry? Yes. those are so blocked, eh? What does it mean by but sneaky bypass chat restrictions with this big 4550? What do you mean? I don't know what you're on about, brother. Hawk Throne. That's enough, guys. Crow Sunday, Awkward Toast, and Crystalito. Thank you for the bits, guys. You don't have to do that, eh? It's Lazy Sunday. You're meant to just chill, watch me, carve, talk in the chat. Cheer, Clipsy. Mets. Bro, it's all good, bro. So this is a Taiaha, bro. One of our most renowned weapons we have, the Māori people. So it's, yeah, similar to a 3/4 staff, bro. The difference being, we don't throw ours. $100 bunch of flowers. If he said I have to, or he said I have to, so I gotta get that much flowers for the old lady. Then my grandmother will go, "Where's mine? Here, I bought you some smokes." You like smokes more than flowers? And then she'll be like, "Good man, good man." How you felt when you've gone viral? I still feel the same, eh? I mean, I still have tea in the morning. Yeah. My name's old school, man. My husband is Māori and I'm trying to learn te reo at least a little, so wai te tamariki to learn. Love listening to your streams. Make you miss New Zealand. Oh, kia ora. Quarrelsome Rhino? Hope I said that right. Where do all your donations go? So, I'm gonna start buying, oh well, I have been buying wood. Gonna buy some more chisels because I need a few more, like some flats. And then after that, I want to get look into another camera, or like get a camera for editing. As long as I keep doing stuff for you guys, that's all that matters. Head of the father, yeah, bro, yeah, Otter. Mainly just trying to invest in wood, brother, because that's like gold for the stream. I mean, if we've got no wood to carve, what are we going to carve? I'm trying to haggle this fella for his tree. The people's champ. As long as you guys are happy with watching, brother, what I'm up to, that's all that matters. Get a higher bench, yeah, definitely. I want to buy some wood to build one. Silver. That's you, my dude. Yeah, thanks, brother. I'm girled. L.A.B up his heart. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Okay, are my eyes even? This one needs to be dropped down a bit. I did not see that.
The Red Paladins took everything.
The Red Paladins took everything from me.
Everything but this.
Can I just get a ad skip, please, YouTube? Primo milk. Cheer, brother. Best emotes ever. Cheer, brother. Shout out to Thunder for those. And Young Khan did our raid ones as well. So just slight rounds. The Paladins. All alone. Too much goodness. True, Primo. You still didn't have to, though. Greetings from Greece. Yo. Oh, damn. True, look. So this I needs to be dropped down. Ain't nobody gotta know no more. Ain't nobody gotta know no more. So I'm just dropping down this other eye because it's higher than this one. What type of wood are you carving? So it's a rata, brother. So it's a native hardwood. So the difference with this timber, bro, it takes over another tree and strangles it to death. And eventually, yeah, we are venom. Hey, Chur, EBG, Alex. Chur, brother. Didn't have to resub, man. Always nightwear, morning there, to relax, help me with late night anxiety. Oh, that's what matters, Nick, as long as you're all good. Okay, we're at the same level now. Nice stream you got here, brother. Be ashamed if somebody gifted subs. Hey, that's enough. Checking the levels, so this one needs to be dropped lower. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna try and do this first before I come back to the chat. So we're not lingering. When you feel, look at me. Almost there guys, sorry. Boom. Sure, she'll move, but no. Yeah, I'm from Rotorua, Primo. I've been living here since 2009. I have family ties here, but I grew up in a small place called Ruatahuna. It's like a few hours outside of Rotorua. Hold on, guys. How hot is it there? Not hot at all, brother. For the fact he is Broxh working, apologizes for the... Oh, you know? Don't worry, I've got some, I've got a supplier for wood. So, but did you finish the mask? No, it's on the side. I just wanted to do something different. Nothing wrong with doing something different on Lazy Sunday. Liquid swords. Didn't have to do that, brother. We're having like roasted pork tonight. So it's one we shot ages ago. We went hunting. Oh, can't wait. One ad, please, YouTube. One ad. And it has to be Netflix.
I think she has potential.
Okay, I think we got it. What is everyone pogging about? Oh god. Chur, bro, I'm from Orfata, currently residing in Melbourne. Chur, Primo, bro, stay safe in Melbourne, eh? Bloody, Ratchet, what's going on there? That goes for you too, Fanta. For some people, man. I hope your stream is going well. You're just a hobo. Oh, well, good brother. Yeah. Some stupid people out there, man. I mean, goddamn. Slays. Oh, true, brother. Have you carved a wooden sword? Nah, bro, my ancestors don't use swords, brother. Slays, thank you very much for subbing, brother. If you're new here, my bro, you didn't have to, eh? Like, you can just watch for free, it is totally fine. Chur Whanau, Chur, brother. Do you have a second job? No. Got made redundant and now lockdown. And just took it as a sign to take my carving now, sweet. Okay, try a new path, really. Arent, thank you for the sub, man. You didn't have to. And here goes bloody silver again. Hold on, guys. Just cleaning. Taking on the world with no regrets. So we're gonna take Connor's top spot at this rate. Don't encourage it, please, brother. Please. That'll do for now. Hello, how's baby? Tai hore toi ana ka haere ki te whaunga. Okay, ka te pira mea ki te haere ki TV. Cheer my G. Do you ever lose your temper? Yeah, of course. I'm a gamer. We always lose our temper. You're legit my first sub. Oh, true goals. Yeah, you didn't have to though, brother. But thank you. I think they may be announcing level 4 lockdown this afternoon. Oh, that's good. Captain Z. I usually sharpen my chisels once every 3 to 4 weeks. Can't wait to get back to rugby. Sure, me brother. Taking on the world with no regrets. Greedy really. Thank you for the sub, man. You didn't have to. And great Gordo. Jeez, guys, you just don't have to. You can just watch. Just so, hey, this is cool. This is the Broxh stream. He was saying that you guys are subbing, and it would seem that you all have a special and intimate relationship with the brother, and losing him would be losing a loved one. Yeah, Fanta, especially the lady, man. I need a sub. Don't ask for it because you get banned or timed out, boy. I'm gonna go dip. It's nice seeing you, Broxh. Have a blessed day. Cheer, base Typhy. Cheer, brother. Okay. Yeah, this is all good, eh? I'm happy with it. Everything's rounded. I have to do the tongue now. Tēnā koe motu. Cheer, Joey. Oh, I'm not on my tour, brother. I'm just, yeah. I'm here, bro. Just making sure I've gone over everything on this side. So how many more sub giveaways do I have to do to beat Connor? Don't worry about beating anyone, brother. Been sub for 4 months in my band. I can't carve things, I just breaks. I suck. I mean, if you keep trying, it will change. You gotta believe in yourself, bro. Will there be a donation button? Maybe next month, maybe sooner. Once the donation button goes up, I probably won't even tell you. That's just how I am. Love the streams, keep it up. Cheers, Marta. Cheers, brother. If he gets a donation button, he'll get so many. Yeah, that's what I'm scared of. That's one of the reasons why I'm dreading turning this thing on. Hello. Hello, Jet. Yeah, I'm just doing a carving. Sorry, Papa can't show you on stream anymore because of that one dick that put you on, eh? That one guy on YouTube that ruined it. Say hello. Hello. She washed the pot. Oh. Cherry doing dishes. Okay, I'm gonna let you go back inside now. Yeah, Dad's doing the tire. Okay. Yeah, okay, go inside now. Sorry you can't be on the stream anymore. Bye bye. Okay, I'm back. Love you too. Yeah, sorry guys. No more showing my daughter on stream because of that one dude. Why can't we see it? Oh, so there's this other YouTube channel, man, that uploaded a video of my daughter without my consent, and boy, it made me fume. I mean, you can upload videos of myself, but not her. So I've decided not to put her on stream anymore because of that stupid person. Boshin Man, Chuba, and Hugh Mungus, thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to. Okay. Sorry to hear that, man. Nah, yeah. I mean, I reported the channel for like, yeah, not much you can do. It's not like YouTube's gonna notice it. Yeah. At first I didn't want to show my daughter on, but couldn't say no to her face, eh? So she just jumped on, and then someone decided to ruin it. Nah, there's a guy that like reposts videos of me. It's like 10 minutes and 11 seconds on everyone. Yeah. But oh well. That's enough about that clown. What am I carving today? Just a taiaha, brother. Traditional Māori weapon, brother. 3/4 staff. Never made to be thrown, my bro. Looks up from a long way. Looks up from a long way. Yeah. What song is this? It's L.A.B, brother. So what I'm gonna do? I asked them in the email if I could chuck their like socials on. But they haven't messaged me back. Do you ever make mistakes? Yeah, heaps. You're not a good carver if you don't make mistakes, brother. They don't know how to give them. Yeah, Jay, Kaya, you didn't have to. Where do I donate? With your eyeballs, brother, and you just watch. Sounds a bit like the police. Wait. Tiro Memoir? I hope I said that right. Thanks for the sub. You didn't have to though. Got a hydrate coming in. Okay, I might take my first break, eh? Then that handles very well. Oh, it's still a bit thick, brother. The band police. Oh. Yeah, so I'm not really happy with how the handle is so far, but yeah, we'll get that done. So this commission that I'm currently doing, once I finish it, then I'll be taking commission orders, but they'll only be like traditional Māori wood carvings. Kia ora from Gizzy, my bro, man, whakairo. Cheers, bud. Cheers, brother. Crimson, thank you for that, brother. You didn't have to sub, bro. Oh, I was having a break, eh? Bad. Do you feel the pressure to be wholesome, sister? Oh, man, I'm not gonna feel the pressure to be myself. Just me. Do I take the same bottle around everywhere I go? True. What's the temperature here? Slightly warm, but still cold. I don't know degrees in there, brother. I mean, I carve wood and play well. What is your favourite wood to carve? Anything really? Whatever I have. You have any pets? Nah, bro, we're actually not allowed to have pets in the house we're renting out. We've been here for like 9 years. But we might have to look at moving elsewhere once my partner gives birth to our second child. So says, have a great day, you deserve it. Sure, dear. Dear. Just jumping between you and just... all good, Ora. Either one, brother. All good. We'll be hosting just today too. What games do you play except for WoW? Halo, Ghost of Tsushima. I still haven't played Final Fantasy VII Remake. I have it. Haven't opened it. What else? Fortnite here and there, but not that much. I mean, my battle pass is only on 40. And looking forward to the new Crash though, and Assassin's Creed. Hey, get a backbone. Brother, you didn't have to do that, brother. That was a fat catch. Tsushima is amazing. Yeah, bro, that is a really big game. I haven't enjoyed a console game this much since Red Dead. I'm hot up here in Canada. It's cold here, brother. It's winter here, bro. Yeah. Playing the same story games. Yeah, I've been playing Ghosts here and there. I haven't even touched the main story. Still in the first half of the island. Mainly play it in Kurosawa mode. Because samurai culture is something I've always been fascinated by. Did you finish off the fiku? No, it's just on the side here. I just got to knuckle down on this commission piece that we're doing. The kegs in the background. Oh, my Brewmaster keg. Yeah. Do you know the band Polly? Nah, bro. Apex Legends. I've played it once, but a long time ago. Is it true that Gibraltar's getting an heirloom, like, multi-weapon? I remember someone saying ages ago. Oh, Witcher. Yeah, Witcher's another one. The keg of hydration. I'm gonna do a piece on it. Bro, at least if you're gonna do an art piece on it, try and make it look like Chen's keg on the bamboo stuff. Cheer, brother. Oh, Cheech, yeah. Favorite PS2 game? Well, that's a hard one, because there's so many. If I had to choose one of the ones I've played the most, probably Need for Speed Underground 2. Get a backbone gifting a sub. Didn't have to. But thank you though, appreciate it, brother. Okay, let's put you guys back down.
I just love settling in with a good book.
Don't you love settling in with a good book?
Let's be real.
Let's be real.
Gets in the way of reading.
Bro, I said joint first, but okay. Oh, not the advertising. Who wants a gifted sub?
I might just be an average bloke, but trust me, Audible really takes
I'm an average bloke. Riders on the Storm. Wow, that was such a good game, eh? Nipsey, Get a Backbone, and Lucas the Unknown. Oh, jeez. Just don't have to do that, guys. You can just watch. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Who sings swerving like a toad? Hello, guys. This is probably the stream song. This one here. Guess you like the Doors, bro. That was such a good song, eh? Did I miss anything? Oh, Tony Hawk was another one too. Shazamir. Thank you for that. You didn't have to. Do you sew any of your carvings? So after this one, Fish Out 2Chi, I'll be taking commissions, brother. Probably around 5 maybe, or 10 at a time. Or just one at a time. I mean, yeah. I've never done let's just say I've never been in high demand internationally. Ever. I am thankful for it, and I'm happy that I get to keep carving. Oh, I feel it in the air. So, see, we don't just use rulers to measure, we use it to scrape. So I'm just cleaning the tongue. I mean, this isn't a particular part that you would use in terms of sandpaper. The only part you would touch with sandpaper is the handle and the blade at the top. Lasers and coffee and get a backbone. Oh, Jesus. Thank you, guys. You just didn't have to, though. Yeah, it's just about trying to make it nice and smooth, just so it makes it easier to draw on both sides, which is always good. God of War fans, yeah, hard, brother. Definitely. Good old PS2 days. Oh, I feel it, can't you see? Love me, I took you on. Okay, come on. So what I'll do after this is do the edges, just so I can put that center line back in right around, just so we leave that flat side for both. And then what we do after that is run the pencil along the side to do like a kind of like a, what do I say, a borderline? What was your reaction to 1 million? Oh, fucking hell. That was my reaction. I didn't expect to hit it so fast. And then the next morning when I found out, I went for a coffee and a biscuit. What inspired you to start carving? My ancestors. This is part of our culture. Oh, kiwi. Okay. Okay. I see you, kiwi. I see you. For the chip. Fuck, I can't believe people go actually like this. I didn't think people would. Okay, here we go. Okay. 1, 2. Fuck, I feel like a dickhead. 3, 4. Oh, jeez. As long as you guys enjoy it, that's all that matters. Moana.
If you write anything on your computer, you need to get grounded.
I write pretty much all day, every day, and Grammarly makes my writing better.
Oh, fuck, here we go. FM, let's... bro.
It even helps me find the right words to use so I can say what I want.
That was flamboyant. Yo, FML, brother, you didn't have to do that, bro. Holy shit. I'm so envious of that hair. Oh, I need to wash it today too. Thank you, MFL. You didn't have to, brother. Such grace and power, so mighty. Oh, jeez. So something, shout out to Kiwi for that. Something, and also FML as well for the gifted. You didn't have to, brother. Like, straight up. And K primed and botched toe. Thank you very much, guys. You just didn't have to. Fuck. Beat Dark Souls today. Hype. Nice, brother. I've never played that, bro. Like, yeah. Best clip of the month so far. I mean, the month just started, but okay. Are you single? No. I'm a father of 1, soon to be 2, and I'm happy. Thanks, man. Big respect for Kiwi. Cheers, brother. Man, it feels so good to be playing L.A.B. Oh, I feel it everywhere. Here's a board. Yeah, a dead board. You think a man with that kind of glorious hair would be single? I go. Nope, I'm not. Thanks, Awick. Awick B. Gamer Dad. I'm a gamer dad. You wanna find a gamer that has a peak physical, is in peak physical condition every day? Go follow Bajira. Okay, I was about to grab my pencil before Kiwi redeemed that. Never that you wanna know. My heart's beating on the floor. Oh. The memories in the air. What's this song? So it's L.A.B. in the air, brother. Oh, I feel it, can't you see? You know me, I take you away. Running L.A.B. Hey. Can I take you on the ride? Thoughts on L.A.B. Favorite band? Yeah, they're my favorite band too. See it maybe in your eyes. Bad respect for the All Blacks. Oh, cheer, brother. In the morning light. Yeah. I can get the key. Oh, jeez. Get a backbone. You didn't have to do that, brother. Oh, God. Thank you, brother. Yeah, God. You didn't have to do that, my bro. Well, thank you, brother. And shout out to all the whānau that got that gifted sub from the brother. JJ Way. Thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to. You can just watch for free. That is totally fine here, brother. Okay, this is off, so that needs to be cut back. I'm Zorp and Cal Cloud. Oh, thank you, brother. You don't have to do that, eh? I'll never get sick of saying it either. There you go. Yeah, so it's so the function for this weapon wasn't necessarily used as a spear. Yeah, more of a staff weapon. Quinn, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. I think I got a gap soon. Not yet though. Maybe another 30 minutes. And stars, thank you very much for that. the biddies. Oh, you can just watch it. Please. L.A.B, I take you. What would have been traditionally used to do the job for a ruler? Nothing. They wouldn't have sanded it. They would have just used a whalebone, rub it along the wood, and temper it. Push the grain back in on itself. Torres, thanks for the sub. You didn't have to, brother. And Chi Chi RP with the bits. Hello to you too. You could have said hello without the bits though. Can someone give me a stub? Venomous, you gotta read the rules, brother. Don't come in asking for subs, man. Everyone knows how I feel about them. Obviously you didn't read them. Oh, who's this anonymous person? Thank you, anonymous person, for the gifts. Oh, the bits. You didn't have to. Oh, and here's Get a Backbone again. I think people thought that you are Hawaiian because Māori people are Hawaiian. Have the same features, skin colour. Oh, yeah, probably, bro. Or maybe I'm just, maybe they picture me running out of the water slow motion like Baywatch. That could be the real answer. You'll get a backbone again. Ah, jeez. And I am a Mr. Zebra. Thank you very much as well. If you're new here, Zebra, you can just watch for free. What I'm making is a traditional Māori weapon called a taiaha, similar to English 3/4 staff. What do you think about Twitch Primes? Oh, you still don't have to. You have the worst listening chat. You're like, don't sub. Not the first thing we do is throw you a sub. Yeah. Oh. Appreciate you guys regardless, but yeah, look after your fellow selves too. Will you be selling this? It's actually a commission piece. Zebra. Oliverus. How does one buy it? So this is a commission piece for a birthday at the end of this month. So normally something like this would cost around 9 to 1200. Yeah, no, I'm a zebra. Jeez. More like I'm a no ears. Cheer, brother, for the gifted. You didn't have to. Like, straight up. And a Keaton Wolf. Sure, brother. Just looking at this blade, there's a bit of wood that needs to be taken off. What is a commission piece? So people ask for a piece and I do it for them. They commissioned me, so they asked. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, thank you to that anonymous person as well. They don't need to though. They don't know who they are. Okay, so that's done. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Sock, bro, it doesn't matter. how big or small a person's view account is when it comes to raids. For me, it's the thought they can't see. That's the main thing. Thank you, brother. Okay, so we need to clean these ears up. What else do we need to do? Clean in these corners. So I think I need to do the eyes. So we'll flip them over. Dynasty. Sure, brother, for the sub. You didn't have to, my bro. You can just watch. It is totally fine, brother. Hey, Chur Cuzzy. I'm all good, cuz. Just doing a tire. How you been? Never knew NZ had this kind of culture. Ah, it's all good, man. I want to sub. Oh, Jesus. So I'm just trying to posture check for the bro. So I might stand it up, see what it looks like. That's on the one book too, brother. River Miles, too, my bro. Just watch. Cheer, no man. It's not looking too bad, eh?
It's YouTube Music.
Oh,
Download the app today and get a
Hello.
trial of Music Premium on us. Limited eligibility, restrictions apply.
Yeah, so from what I can see, so we got a posture check for the bro. So let me straighten up again. So yeah, this is what we're doing so far. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of excess timber here, so we'll have to remove there, or we'll have to rasp it down. It's quite good here, so it's a good width. So yeah, but most of the wood needs to be taken out there on the blade, and then around the tip. Yes, not looking too bad, eh? Chur Poliak, I'm good, brother. Yeah, just happy to get a stream in, mate. Munchin Potato, too, brother, for the sub. Didn't have to. You can just watch for free. You should wrap it with something. So usually on the ends around here, we'll lash on feathers. So it was usually dog hair, horse hair, feathers. In some cases human hair, so you wouldn't necessarily use your own hair on your own weapon. So when priests would throw curses at you, latch onto your hair, it'll obviously go to you. So what our ancestors used to do in times of war, when they killed their opponents, they'd cut their hair off and chuck it on their taiaha. And so when a priest threw a curse at them, it wouldn't go anywhere. So the reason for so it was called a awe. The reason why we would tie feathers or any beads of hair, or even the flax fibre from our harakeke. So it was used as a type of distraction to try and catch your opponent off guard for that split second. Then you come in and obviously try and deliver a killing blow, or just enough to try and knock him out and then kill him. Oh, yeah, that's him so far. It's not looking too bad. Just looking at it now to see if I need to fix anything up other than the ones I've chosen. Yeah, just the nostrils need to be done. But other than that, looks good. The Māori tire tip is made from wood. Yep. Is that deadly? I mean, it's a hardwood, eh? And they used to temper their weapons and petrify them in the old days. So obviously it was easy for them to kill them with wood. There's an instance where some tire halves would have green stone tongues, but that's more modern. It's not traditional. When you're coming over to Oz, probably not anytime soon, cuz I'm not really looking at travelling at the moment. You're in Brisbane, eh? Ever done Taiahawananga or Makoia? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I did. So I learned 2 different styles of Maurako. So Tūhoi style and Te Aroa style. Oh, I had to, eh? Yeah. Can you make me a tiki? Not even a hi or a please. How do they temper the wood? So they use fire. So they use the wood, so they burn one end and rub it along the wood. Bolter boy, thanks for the gifteds, brother. You didn't have to Gold Coast, my cuz, summertime, you and the father. Yeah, if the corona's gone. Okay, I just gotta go back and acknowledge these people like Quinn Misty, gifting a sub, and Abdullah Malik, and oh yeah, thank you guys. You didn't have to though. Ever do a sword? Nah, my ancestors never used swords, so I don't really have to. Oh, I don't want to, I should say. What time zone are you in? New Zealand's? This ain't L.A.B. Devious one, thanks for the sub. You didn't have to though, brother. And the vent fire? LC Priest, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to though. You can watch for free. Can you make me a cool mask like the one behind you? Still no please or anything. Manners, brother. A hello can take you a long way. Don't be a robot, brother. And my commissions aren't open yet. Why is it the men go all out while performing, but the women stay behind them? Not as like large movements. I mean, Leemings, I see. Women aren't men, and they have their own types of haka as well. But the reason you won't see women haka all the time, as opposed to the males, is because the males were the ones that went out to war. Why our women stayed behind is because if we lose a woman, we lose an entire generation. They were the most sacred people to us in days of old. So you wouldn't necessarily want to take the person that's going to carry on your tribe into war. But there were, how do I say this, women warriors. There were some that took the warrior's path. But majority of the time, we had to protect the women, eh? Thanks, Devious One. Appreciate it, man. So yeah, that's the reason why the women don't go as hard. That is a 5 head. What are you, a 6? He's a liver. Thanks for the bits, man. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. As is tradition. Yeah. I mean, you lose a woman in the tribe in those days, you're pretty much fucked. Losing an entire generation that could carry on the tribe. That's why we protected them. So we didn't witness like violence against women until, I don't want to say it, people turned up. It was proven by a settler as well. Wild Crits, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Love the way you speak. My 12-year-old daughter is fascinated with you. Oh, crushing beats. As long as she enjoys it, that's the main thing. Leaders of tomorrow, the kids. Kruby Doink. That's a cool phone case. Thanks, brother. It's the chat holder 4000. Thanks, Kruby, for the sub. You didn't have to, though. Is this a training sword? My ancestors don't use swords, brother. Maybe. No, we didn't even use swords in the World War. We used a shovel and a tire. Oh, Louis Silva. You didn't have to do that, man. How long have you been carving for? So I started when I was 12 in primary school. And realised at a young age that this is what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. Whether it be paid or not, I carried on doing it. Like I've been through. Oh, God. Kruby. You didn't have to do that, Kruby. God damn, sorry about that. Just hit the camera. Damn it, man. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna roll this up. Did not have to do that thing. Oh God. Did I miss anything? No, just Kruby doing Kruby things. You didn't have to do that, brother. Shit. Oop. Oh, going against the grain. I'm back in uni now, getting back into things. A bit weird after being at home all last semester. How's your day going? Looks like you're on a new carving since I wasn't last year. What is this one? Chur Chur Games? Jeez, I hope I said that right, brother. So this is something. Oh, it's a commission that I have to finish before the end of the month. So I might have to focus on this a bit more than the mask. But yeah, thanks, brother. Just make sure you don't watch while you're studying. Reddit Wholesome 100. What do you do with your carvings? They don't stay with me. I don't really like keeping any of them. Unless I really wanted something.
So you're gonna be taken, babe.
Okay, let me just get the top of this eye. Things you see. Person of the year. As long as it's to you guys, that's all that matters. I don't need an award for that. I did vote for my streamer of the year though. Who did you guys vote for? You're So I'm making sure study comes first. Oh, that's good, brother. At the moment, I'm just working on a couple drawing tasks while watching you. Oh, true, bro. Yeah. Just make sure you study more than watch me, please, brother. You know how I am. Energy. Antibody Hero. Thank you very much for the sub. If you're new, man, you don't have to sub next time. Just come and watch. That is totally fine, brother. Region. Aloha e. Broxh. I can share the difference between carvings from Aotearoa and elsewhere. From other artists. From other artists. So most of our stories and different variations of them just come from the tribes, brother. Lone Flame, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You can just watch my G. Now won't you come on down? You have summoned magical llama. Okay. As long as that magical llama can give me 500 wood, brick and steel. If not, it's not very magical. Okay, what's the time? It's 2:30. Okay. Might have to go soon, guys. Sorry. Yeah. Just getting the signal from Mrs. Broxh. That one. Not yet though. Not yet. But what I'm going to do while I'm sorting out a few things for baby's birthday in town is go and check out some more pops for our giveaways. So I've got 3 more to get. I want to get a big one for second. Sniper J, thank you so much for the sub. You did not have to. You can watch for free. It is totally fine. It is more than welcome to watch for free. As you all... The llama can only create bread. Oh, can't build with bread. Good day. Hey, Monero. Cheer, brother. Baby. Okay, looks like we've done a bit. This guy with the instant verified emotes. I'm just gonna chuck them in chat just for you, bro. Hey, I caught a stream. Cheer, Marsley. Hey, I was just wondering, have you ever been to Tauranga? Bro, I was just there yesterday. That's where I'm from. I'm in Christchurch at the moment for uni. Oh, true, brother. Yeah, I was just there yesterday, brother. Man, too busy there for myself. And Mooku. Oh, bro. You didn't have to do that, brother. Thank you, man. You didn't have to, though. Oh, it's starting to rain. Okay, I'm gonna play one of my favourite L.A.B songs. Hang on. And YouTube ad. Thank you. I don't even watch Netflix. It's really closer to a quarter stuff. Yeah, pretty much is. So I'm just flattening out, leaving no bumps. I'm quite picky, eh? That's just how I am. Knowing that it's not smooth or flat bugs me a lot. Do you stain or leave it? So I'll probably be linseeding it, bro. Or doing a clear a clear Broxh because I want to showcase the grain. Best of luck to you. Cheers from the Dutch keeper of Waka. Cheer, brother. Cheer, Kachi. So I'm doing a taiaha, brother. It's one of our traditional weapons that we have. One of our most renowned ones. Could you use your phone as a reflection? Okay. I don't know if you will see it, but I'll just turn the phone off so you can. Can you see the camera? Hope that helped, brother. Like the fit today, bro. Hey, cheer, my bro. Oh yes, I had to. It only made sense that I do it. It was a perfect opportunity to do it. Okay, let me just try and clean this up. It's always a good laugh doing it. The Deuce Live, thank you, brother. You didn't have to sub, my bro. If you're new, my bro, you can just come watch. It is all good. Looks very good. Thanks, man. Oh, Choco Book. Thanks for the resub. Didn't have to, bro. You have a mic attached to the camera? Yeah, it's underneath. RJ. Oh god. You didn't have to do that, man. Just got a question, bro. Do you prefer Don't Forget Your Roots or Kia Mau Ki Toi Ko Po? I prefer Don't Forget Your Roots. I'm not really a fan of the newly translated Māori language. There's two types. I'm not really a fan of it. All these panekiretanga style things. Because where I grew up learning Māori was on the marae, and it's gotten real different to how it's spoken today. Man, RJ. Bloody hell. Sure, RJ, you didn't have to do that, man. How did you get into wood carving? Oh, I introduced to it by my uncle. Just trying to take off some of the wood here. How's your kid doing? Yeah, she's all good. Not sure what Shots is on about. Not a very good bait, brother. Face. Broxh says kids. Yeah, I do. She's Gone by L.A.B. Wes. I'm a father of one, soon to be two. I remember when it's raining. Anyone got one more point already? Nah, I just put it on yesterday. Vitamin B Blast. Cheer, brother, for that. Bro, you don't have to do that, eh? It's all good just to watch, brother. possible to buy one of your carvings? Yeah, commission. I never grew up learning much Māori. It's not much of a difference compared to you. Interesting to learn that. Oh, it's all good, brother. Not tempted to bolt this to the floor? It's not my house, bro. We're renting, so nah. I don't care. Okay, just move it. You should make a masterclass. I'm not a master, bro, so nah. I'm not a master cover, brother. Try my best not to be an egg. Just the one. Fried chicken or chicken cooked over coals? Ooh, that's a good one. Man, both are so good though, eh? Straight up. Okay, and this is our last song for the day too, guys. Anyway, did you enjoy your fellas' day watching me? Well, I hope you did. Can Ahmad give me the Discord? I mean, you can just type !! socials. So that's just us for today, guys. This isn't L.A.B. Okay, yeah, we're gonna call it for today, dude. Oh, jeez. FM Litz. Oh, brother, what are you doing? Come on, my mate. Why is chat on slow mode? Because I'm a slow reader. Yeah, I gotta go to town now, guys. But thank you very much. I want to sub if don't have to. I mean, you're watching. Yeah, we're gonna call it for today, guys. So I'll probably what is this music? I'm probably gonna go host just for kicks. So yeah, I gotta go to town, sort out a few things. I'm pretty hungry too, and probably go look for some more pop vinyls for the giveaway. But thank you, everyone. So I'm gonna go and host a brother. Just he's on me. Oh yeah, there he is. I'm gonna host just raid. Sorry, I wanna raid properly. So we raid just for kicks or just for puns, really. So much love, whanau. That's going to be us for today. My bad it was a short stream, but I got to stream today, which was good. I hope I rated him properly. Yeah, it's on, mate. Oh, cheer, brother. Yeah, so that's going to be us for today. Yeah, go through and show the brother some love. So he customized the kicks, if no one's ever seen it yet. But congrats on the 1-0. Thanks, brother. It's because of yous we got there, not me. But thank you very much, guys. I will see you tomorrow. So, yeah, just the same tomorrow, same time, round about 10. And get a stream in. We'll probably be back on the Taiaha again. So with that being said, have a good one.